Unboxing new skincare products for my sensitive skin.
Hey guys, so I started off with the Dr. Rachel Micellar Cleansing Water, and I went in for this option because I've had so much good review about this cleansing water, and I decided to try it on my sensitive skin. I've been breaking out lately, guys, so bad for the past 4 months. In fact, I think I'm at my recovery stage. That's why I'm even able to explore all of these new products. So I opened it up and I'm trying to apply it on my cotton pad and directly on my skin. And on the pack of this cleansing water, it stated that very suitable. It's suitable for all skin types, including the sensitive skin. That's one of the reasons I opted for it as well. And it's a no rinse, no harsh rubbing cleanser. The second product I'll be unboxing is Dr. Rachel Vitamin C Face Serum, and it's for brightening and anti-aging. It contains hyaluronic acid, and I was really excited getting this product because I've had so much good things about this vitamin C serum from Dr. Rachel, and I'm very hopeful that I don't react. I'm very hopeful that I don't break out, but I'm going to definitely keep you guys posted on how far it has been going. I love how hydrating it feels and looks on my face, so I just applied it generously to my skin, and yeah, that's it. So the third product to be unboxed is the Omari Code Hydrate Moisture Maximizer, and it's a lightweight, fast-absorbing face moisturizer formulated with a unique blend of ingredients that hydrates, smoothens, plumps, and primes for an effortless, luminous skin. I loved how it felt on my skin. It was so cooling and very, very relaxing. I've wanted to get this product for the longest time because of the good review I've seen about it online, especially using it as a base for my makeup. So yeah, I felt very fulfilled getting it. So don't forget to always extend your face products to your neck and your chest while applying. And yeah, I love me a clear lip gloss any day, anytime. So I just had to. I tried not to, but I just had to. I'm sorry. So yeah, that's it for the skincare nighttime daytime application. Kindly ignore the white particles you're seeing on my face. It came from the cotton pad I used earlier. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed watching, and subscribe to the channel if you're yet to. Bye guys.